Oh, well, hello there, Team Flood. After today's riveting discussion, we had one goal that stuck out pretty substantially, and that would be this one. Well done. Okay. 10,000% better. So I took that goal and I decided, how are we going to accomplish this? We need to figure this out. How do we accomplish 10,000% better? Well, maybe we improve ourselves by 50% every single day. To do that, if we were to improve ourselves 50% every single day, it would take us a mere 24 days to reach 10,000%. Okay, next, I said, well, that's a little heavy. Maybe we do 10%. 10% better every single day. What does it take to get 10,000%? Well, I found out that that would take 98 days, just a little over 3 months. But honestly, who can do that? 10% better, that's a huge increase every single day. Not really sustainable. What if we just average 1% better every day? 1% better every single day. Well, maybe you'd be surprised to know that in only a little under 3 years, you would reach 10,000% better. 927 days. So then I decided, what day will it be when we can say, as a company, at a rate of improving at 1% every day, what day will we be 10,000% better? Well, I did some math and some science, and I figured out that it will be October 6th, as in our 6th, 2019. And that's the deadline. That's the deadline.
Hard deadline.
Hard deadline. 10,000% better. Let's make it happen, Team Flood.
You heard it here first. 3 years.